The Narwal Flow is a groundbreaking robot vacuum and mop that sets a new standard in home cleaning technology. With intelligent automation, industry-first mopping innovations, and 22,000 pascals of powerful suction, it's engineered to handle virtually any mess on any surface with ease and precision. Launching on August 7th, 2025, the Flow will be available at a special introductory price of $1,099 for the base version and $1,199 for the premium model, regularly $1499 and $1599. As Narwhal's most ambitious release to date, the Flow redefines hands-free home cleaning. Special thanks to Narwhal for sponsoring this video. If you're interested in learning more, check the link in the video description. Since launching the world's first self-cleaning mop robot vacuum in 2019, Narwhal has remained a pioneer in cleaning robotics. The Flow marks the sixth major advancement in their product evolution. Version 1.0 introduced auto mop cleaning, 2.0 added automatic water exchange, 3.0 brought Freo mode for smart adaptive cleaning, 4.0 launched the Zero Tangle system, and 5.0 implemented AI-powered cleaning logic. With version 6.0, the Narwhal Flow delivers a new era of deep, intelligent, and fully automated cleaning. At the core of the Flow is the 4th generation Flow Wash Mopping System, a major leap beyond flat or spinning mop designs. It features a thick track-style mop that applies 12 newtons of pressure, about the weight of 3 cans of soda, combined with 113°F warm water for powerful one-pass stain removal. The system cleans itself in real time using a maintenance-free scraper. Dual onboard water tanks keep clean and dirty water completely separate, and a built-in stirrer in the dirty water tank helps prevent odors and residue buildup. This ensures the mop pad stays clean throughout each cycle, making it effective on tough messes like coffee, ketchup, milk, or even paint. Independent testing shows it outperforms dual spinning mop systems, especially on heavy-duty stains. One of the Flow's standout features is its twin AI Dodge obstacle avoidance system. Equipped with dual 136-degree ultra-wide RGB cameras and an AI chip capable of 4 trillion computations per second, it maps your home in high detail and recognizes over 200 household objects, from socks and cords to pet waste and toys. The system operates with local AI processing for privacy and delivers precision cleaning within 1 centimeter of obstacles. It automatically maintains a safe 70mm buffer around pet waste and 40mm around pets or children. It can also distinguish materials and shadows, enabling it to move confidently throughout complex environments without any prep work from the homeowner. The Flow isn't just a mopper, it's a powerful vacuum with 22,000 pascals of suction. Carpet-focused technology automatically lowers the brush cover for sealed, high-pressure airflow on carpets while lifting them up to avoid wetting them. It also performs a dual-pass zigzag clean to reach deep into carpet fibers. Its dual-flow, tangle-free system is a game-changer for homes with pets or long hair. Cone-shaped rubber strips, single-sided balancing, and 50-degree angled bristles work together to guide hair in a single direction and prevent tangles, eliminating the hassle of pulling hair out of the rollers. Narwhal has redesigned the base station to take care of itself, so you don't have to. The Flow docks into a smart base that handles mop washing, dustbin emptying, hot air drying, water refilling, charging, and even filter changes. Its AI adaptive hot water mop washing adjusts between 113°F and 176°F to remove stains and germs efficiently. The auto-emptying dustbin is supported by a large capacity bag that can last up to 120 days. After each clean, the mop pads look like new, and the system runs quietly enough to go unnoticed in daily life. The Narwhal Flow is built to clean where others fall short. A reversible, extendable side brush reaches within 1 centimeter of walls and corners, delivering 99% debris removal, without relying on fragile mechanical arms that can fail over time. It can also climb thresholds up to 4 centimeters, that's 1.6 inches, allowing it to move easily between rooms, over rugs, and onto balconies. Its ultra-slim 95mm body glides under low furniture like beds and cabinets with no manual repositioning required. The Narwhal Flow isn't just another robot vacuum, it's a true cleaning partner designed to handle every surface, stain, obstacle, and edge with smart precision and minimal effort. With best-in-class hardware, intelligent navigation, and hands-free maintenance base, it raises the bar for what a cleaning robot should be. If you're serious about keeping your home spotless without lifting a finger, the Narwhal Flow is worth considering. And with special launch pricing, now is the perfect time to see what next-gen robotic cleaning can do for your home, whether you're managing spills, pet hair, or everyday dirt.